Well, I finished the Bad Azz Raider. It's painted in basically 3 different shades of metallics, and Liquitex these for some highlights and some shadows, and finished off with the Mr. Engineer lighting, which works great. And you can tell it's Mr. Engineer's because his thruster lights flicker. And I put it on a round 2 base, which is the norm around here, as you can tell. But the shading's a little dark and everything because when the light hits it in different angles, it changes. From a gloss to a semi-gloss to a flat. As you can see underneath, the way the shadow is. It's a fun, easy kit to do, even putting the lights in. And I only got one more thing to do, which everyone can see later on in a gallery or picture, is I'll paint the Cylon symbol, because that's still up in the air. I think it turned out pretty good. Gives it more of a menacing look. I like to call him the Stealth Raider.